myself a merry little Christmas night.
So that concludes the video, and I wanted to quickly say that I know we have been living tough times. Life has been rough for me, for my family, for my friends, for my coworkers. I've seen a lot of people shed a lot of tears just this week alone, and I wanted to encourage you to be a blessing, to be a light to this world. And I also wanted to wish you strength. I wanted to wish you perseverance, joy, love, and so much peace during these tough times. And if you made it this far, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you want to see next. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!